Hi there, I'm Heidi Hayes, Instructional Consultant at WMISD and WSESD, and this is week 4 of Illuminate in 3 minutes or less. This week's topic is grading constructed response items in assessments. Let's begin. The first thing I'd like to show you is what it would look like in an answer key of an assessment. So I just went to assessments and list assessments, and I'm just going to click on an assessment that I made for this video so that you could see what an actual constructed response item would look like in your answer key. So once you're in the assessment, you're going to go to Setup and Answer Key, and there's a column called Rubric. If that box is checked, that means that the teacher physically has to go in there and grade those things. Now those could be items ranging from fill in the blank, short answer, essay, or if you did an item bank assessments, there are questions that are like selectable text and then other short answer fill in the blanks types of questions as well. So a teacher knows that they have to physically go in and grade it if this box appears in their answer key. Once students have completed the test online, a teacher would go back into the assessment by going to Assessment and List Assessment, and then instead of going to Setup, they're going to go to Administration and click Enter Edit. From here, they can filter down which class they want to grade, and their class list will come up. And then as you can see over here, question 3 was a multiple choice, so you see what their answer was, but question 1 and 2 remain blank because those were constructed response. So now what the teacher needs to do is go up here and click on Constructed Response, and it will bring it up question by question, so you can grade one question and do that for all of your students. So you can see the student's answer here, and then you can just select from the drop-down. These drop-down numbers come from whatever you put in your answer key for however many points that question was worth. So you can choose the point values for each student. And then if you'll notice, I have autosave that box checked, which means it's auto-saving after every time I change someone's score. If you don't have this box checked, be sure to click Save. Then you can just go to the next question and do the same thing. Now, depending on what type of assessment you did, as you can see right here, I can't see the question because this is just a manual assessment. If I did an item bank assessment, I would actually see the question here, and then like this one is selectable text, so I could see the text that they selected. And then I still do it the same way though. I go and I put what score the student received. Once you have done all of those things, when you click your Overview tab, this circle will now represent the actual grades, the performance that the kids did on the overall test, and then you can also go into the reports and get broken down reports by question types as well. On a side note, if a teacher is using the bubble sheets in order to give their assessment, all they would need to do to grade the constructed response is to bubble in the correct number that they want to give that student for that particular question. For more information on grading constructed response, refer to the help documents provided in the email or contact me at hhayes@k12eta.org. This concludes week 4 of Illuminate in 3 minutes or less.